Hello guys, welcome back with me, Lord Chow Chow 2025. We're going to learn about GoalSeek in Excel today. GoalSeek is a built-in Excel feature that can be used to solve back for problems. It allows you to find the input value that will produce a desired output value. If that sounds confusing, we're going to give an example. This is for example, A plus B equals C. So 5 plus 15 equals 20. With this has a formula of D4 plus B4. If you want to get the GoalSeek, get the data, and then what if analysis, and then GoalSeek. So for example, if you want this C value, this F4 is to be 50, for example, what should this value, if B is 15, A should be what? Okay, because this has the formula, and when you click OK, it's gonna count. So to reach 50 value, A should be 35. You could do it for A value or B value, but it only work if you only change one single cell. For example, this is 40. You could change B. That's how it works. And you don't need to work on this single formula. For example, here E is the result of A plus B multiplied by D. This still work even though you just change A. For example, like this. GoalSeek. If we want this value to be 200, what value they should be? A, for example. To reach 200, A need to be 61.7. And even it could work like this for G. GoalSeek. We want this to be, for example, 3000. How much value A should be? And it's 52.4. Okay, it's actually a long list, and the value might also have decimal, but you know, it's not that bad. Okay, it's hard to get the exact value, but this is already quite good. Sometimes you have a formula that have certain result. For this, A minus A is 0. No matter what you change value A, because is this the same thing, it should be 0. So for example, if you try to give or to ask the GoalSeek, 3 is always 0. If you want to ask the GoalSeek how to have a result not 0 for this value, for example, you want the value to 2 by changing this cell. Could we do it? We're gonna try it, you know, but usually they're going to come to a conclusion that is not possible. For example, 2, if we have like this, if we want to fail 1 by changing this, is it possible? Not possible, and it's gonna iterate forever. Sometimes it's going to warn you if this is the first time you set out that it's gonna process forever. Sometimes it's not. Anyway guys, I think that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and see you again on the next episode. Have a nice day.